So, myself, Arthur Clive, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. So, I am going to take the subject Disasters Risk Reduction Management. So, in Unit 1, we are going to see about hazardous, vulnerability, and disaster risk. So, what is disaster? So, disaster is a serious disruption occurring over a relatively short time of the functioning of a community or a society involving widespread human, material, economic, or environmental loss and impacts which exceeds the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. So, disaster is divided into two types, that is the natural disasters and man-made disaster. So next we are going to see about what is natural disaster. So natural disaster is a natural process or phenomenon that may cause loss of life, injury, or other health impact, property damages, loss of livelihoods and services, social and economic disruption, or environmental damages. So, tsunami, flood or heavy rain, earthquake, cyclone, drought, heat wave, landslide, forest fire, and pest infection, that is the affecting crops. It is related to agriculture. So these are comes under the natural disasters. So these are all natural disasters in India, that is the recent natural disasters in India. So during the year 2019 to 2020, so these are all recent natural disasters in India. Next we are going to see about man-made disasters. So road accident, communal violences, chemical accidents, industrial accident, railway accident. So these are all comes under the man-made disasters. So this is earthquake is the natural disasters. Earthquake is the natural disasters. So what is an earthquake? What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the shaking of the earth's surface caused by rapid movement of the earth crust or outer layer. So it comes under the natural disasters. Okay. So the portions of the different continent and oceans that we see today has changed a number of times in the earth's history. So the earth is a primary composed of three layers: the outer crust, the middle mantle, and the inner core. So the earth outer layer or crust is made up of number of jigsaw pieces like structures that interlock into one another. So these pieces are called tectonic plates. These plates are in continuous motions over a mantle, which is known as the tectonic movement. These tectonic processes are also responsible for the mountain building process. The plates that are moving fast over one another are slow by friction along their boundaries. So due to this, the rocks are under strain. When the stresses on a rocks exceed a certain limits, the rocks rupture and form a fault along which the rocks are displaced during the tectonic moment. This sudden rupture of the rocks releases energy in the form of earthquake waves. So this is known as the earthquake. This is known as the earthquake. So these are all some of the earthquake. So this is the impact of the earthquake on the environment. So this is the grade of the earthquakes. So according to that grade, what are the effects? So 2.5 means generally not felt but recorded on seismograph. So 3.5 grade felt by many peoples. 4.5 some local damages may occur. 6 a destructive earthquake. 7 a major earthquake. 8 and above massive earthquake. Next we come tsunami. Tsunami is also one of the natural disasters. So during the year 2004, December 26th, so around 3 lakh people and affected parts of Indonesia, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India, Sri Lanka, even in Tamil Nadu also they are affected. Okay, so when the ocean floor is tilted or offset during the earthquake, a set of waves is created similar to the concentric wave generated by an object dropped into the water. So these water are massive in size and gain height as they approach the seashore. Tsunami up to the height of 30 meters are recorded. So this comes under one of the natural disasters. So what happened during that time? So may strike the peoples, and many peoples are killed during that period. So we will see next topics, natural topics in other video. Thank you.